Okay guys, what do I have here? I have the Aorus NVME Gen 4 SSD. It's not the latest NVMe Gen 4, and this is the 5000 one. Tomorrow there's gonna be the latest software is coming out for the PlayStation 5, and then we can finally build in, without a beta, we can build in the SSD. So I built in this SSD. They say from PlayStation, they say you need a minimum of 5500 read speed, and this is 5000. But this was 50 euros cheaper than the normal one. So I try it out tomorrow. I'm gonna build it in and make a video of it with the cooling body. It's 22mm. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. So I got the Aorus NVMe Gen 4 SSD. It's a bargain right now. If you buy the newest one, it's 50 euros more. And more is not less. So, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Hopefully tomorrow with my built-in video about the SSD. Bye bye.